We got a great video for you today on how to have fun 4x4. That's right, we got the ultimate 4x4 camper van bucket list. We're going to show you three 4x4 off-road camper vans. You're going to absolutely love this. We've got a Winnebago for you. We've got a Storyteller Overland. We've got a Thor, which is super cool. And basically what we did is we got with our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, said, let us use some of that footage. We want to show some of it over on our 4x4 channel. And if you haven't, definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and check out our Facebook, Instagram, How to Have Fun 4x4. Hit that notify button so you can get all of our latest videos. Don't forget about our mothership, How to Have Fun Outdoors. Well over 10 million views, and guess what? We've got cruising, we've got hiking, we've got fishing, we've got camping. You're going to want to check out all the channels, and this channel is all about you. That's right, we'd like to show you all the different off-road adventures with ATVs, 4x4s all over the world, Dominican Republic, Iceland, and all kinds of great reviews on 4x4 trucks, 4x4 RVs, 4x4 camper vans. We do it all on this channel. So if you love off-road, you love 4x4, definitely subscribe. You're going to absolutely love it. But let's go ahead and get started. We got some great 2023 models. This is a quick video, but take a look at these.
I love this video, and we've got some good stuff to show you. This is not your typical walkthrough. We're going to go real quick through these three so you get a general idea. And obviously you can go and watch a more detailed walkthrough video, but this is going to give you a quick overview of all three of them. And we've got three gorgeous 4x4s on the Sprinter chassis from Mercedes. That's right, the first one. You ready for this, folks? We've got the Revel 4x4 Sprinter from Winnebago, then the Thor Sanctuary 4x4 with the Sprinter, and then the Storyteller Overland Stealth Mode. That's right, we got three amazing 4x4s, and if you're looking at these, this video is going to be perfect for you because you're going to get to see the differences between the two models. Again, this is not an in-depth walkthrough on each one of them. This is just to give you a quick view of each model, the features and benefits, what's different, and you know, what you like. So definitely, if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to us. We travel all over the world trying to get you great videos, and definitely give us a big like. We'd really appreciate it. Give us your comments down below on what you think of these three. Which one you like, which one do you like better, which one do you don't think matches up. And overall, let's get started with this Winnebago Revel 4x4 Sprinter from the Florida Super Show down in Tampa.
All right, here we are at the Super RV Show in Tampa, and we've got a great video for you today. We're going to show you three 2003 4x4 Class B vans, camper vans. You're gonna love this video. If you're one of those types that want to get out back, two-track, fish, hike, go places where most Class Bs can't go, we're gonna show you three that can. So let's go take a look at them. They're all from Mercedes. You're gonna love this video. So let's start with the first one, the Winnebago. That's right, the Revel 4x4, super cool vehicle. We did this video last year on the 2022. You can check that out right here. But today we're going to be looking at this one from Winnebago, and the first thing you'll notice right off the bat, they do a great job with this flip out table. Comes right up like this, buckles down, and you lock that in. You're good to go, and right off the bat you got all of your connections there. And we'll walk up, you can see this is all screened out. Refrigerator right here as you walk in the entrance. Clever design. So as you come out, take a look in there, lots of room. And then you have your 110 outlets, all your control systems here for your awning, etc. Come up here, Alice, take a look at this. This is the 2023 layout with that Mercedes. Really sharp overall. And what's nice about this particular floor plan, a little bit different than the others, is that you've got this big seat up here where you can put two small kids, one adult. You've got the seat belts table, so you can be working on your computer while you're driving down the road, getting these videos out to everyone. Extra storage here. We've got a pizza oven up here. Really slick Winnebago chrome badge. Really nice to hang your coats, do all those stuff. Your kitchenette here, galley, spice holder rack, more storage up here, and then down here, obviously all your lockdown storage. These are all locked down, folks, so when you're off-road, You don't have to worry about drawers popping open and all those kind of issues that you have with some Class Bs. All right, we come down here and take a look. We've got a big old shower. That's right, folks. Everything you need in there. Brush your teeth, shower up. It's all in there. You name it, toilet, we got it. Come on back and take a look at this design. So what you really have here is like a toy hauler. You've got all your different outlets, storage, but what happens is, if you step back for a second, this is all powered and it lowers down into your bed. So you don't waste all this space up top and you're still able to store your e-bikes, scooters, kayaks, whatever you want right back here. And we'll show you the back of that as we step back out. But you can see a great 4x4 Class B if you're interested in that type of outdoor activities. So we come back down, as you can see, really cool design. We got the Revel 2500, beautiful ladder coming up this thing. You're gonna love that. One of those things you wanna check out the solar panels. Come around the back and you've got your hitch set up, little power outlets here, all your water hookups right here. Come on in, take a look, and pretty straightforward. As you guys know, you click the levers to whatever you want is set up. Winterize, sanitize, city water, power fill, you name it. It's all ready to go with your outlets for your hoses. Everything's good there. And then on this side here, you've also got your switches, your pumps, your different outlet setups, USBs in here again, all kinds of nice things. You got your ties on the floor here. So if you're tying down those bikes, scooters, whatever it may be, no problem whatsoever. We'll swing around this side. Super cool 4x4 Revel Sprint. You got your outlet here, so you've got your 30 amp all set to go, locked down. Big gorgeous tires, take a look at those, folks. 4x4, all of your utilities backed into here, big step up ladder, and then as you can see here, all set up to go with your brand new Mercedes. So overall, this is a quick tour. We want to do these really quick. Let's go check out the next 4x4 from Mercedes from a different brand.
All right, up next is the Thor Sanctuary 4x4. You're going to love this one. Beautiful color on it and really sharp unit. We liked it overall, good quality.
And today we've got a special video for you. That's right, the 2023 Sanctuary 4x4. Boy, does this thing look sharp from Thor. They've went after the other guys with their first beautiful 4x4, and we're gonna show it to you. You're gonna love this video. Let's go take a look and let's jump to the inside right away so you can see what this thing looks like. So right before we get on top of the inside on the camper van, take a look at here, folks. Really nice step up, and I love this flip out. Flips down, and here you can do your secondary induction types cooking. So when you're outside, you've got one person here can hand stuff over from the stovetop inside in the galley, or you're cooking on the outside with your nice picnic table, etc. So really nice design, good fit and finish. The quality of this is outstanding. So let's go ahead and jump on inside. Big handle grip here, as you can see. Also have some outlets right here, and your knobs, and also your fire extinguisher. As we jump up here, folks, you can see really nice floor laminate, really looks good. And take a look, come on up, and what a beautiful design. Very open, similar to like the Gretsch concept where you got a lot of this extra height. Brand new 2023 chassis, just absolutely gorgeous. We've shown this chassis many times now, so you should be up to speed with that, with all the safety features and everything that Mercedes has done. Real quality seats. They've done a nice job with this. So we walk over, you can see we've got a nice microwave, nice stainless steel finish to it. And look at here, a big old fridge. Looks great. Down below, you've got that extra storage with your water system. Pretty cool. And then over here, as we jump onto the galley, you love this part, Alice. You can look out, hand out food, and you've got a nice kitchen top looking out through the door. So big sink here, nice kitchen countertop. And as you can see, look at here, folks, nice drawers all the way across. Obviously, you have another induction top that you can pop right on here as you cook on the inside. All right, so as we come back, we're gonna take a look at here. Look at this, you can put your shoes, different things to hold in there. And then we're gonna have the bathroom. Let's pop that open so everybody can see. And real nice mirrored area. Look at here, all your connections, all of your shower heads, curtains that wrap around. Pretty cool. So pretty standard bath there. Obviously this flips down, and then you've got your little sink setup also where she can come across and vent out. So pretty cool. And then over here you got your buttons for your fan and your light, so both are here. So pretty nice bathroom overall on this size unit. Clearly what you're getting here is an off-road 4x4 with a little nicer fit and finish overall. So again, nice cabinets. Take a look at this. Beautiful. These things are gorgeous. Look at the chrome inlays. Really nice design. You gotta like this as an Italian Alice. Really good quality stuff.
Absolutely, it's beautiful.
And then take a look at here. Very nice classic design back here where you've got, you know, the fold down bed. You've got your sofa. They do have, you know, the DOT seat belts. And then you've got your standard TV as you come around here, Alice. You can see pretty standard. This is such a popular design in the industry. So what you're really getting is a Mercedes, a nice 4x4 built out, and they've done a nice job with the look and feel of it, if you will. AC up top, got some LED lights there. Also, these are some pretty cool windows the way they're set up. But overall, you've got some USBs over here and your standard outlet, and then a big closet right here. So this is a lot like the 22C on the Beyond. It almost looks identical from back here, the way this sets with the shower, etc. So overall, that's it. Let's go take a look at the outside. You've got a Firefly up here. This is your flat screen touch control Truma, as you can see, and we'll walk around. And then clearly a pretty cool outside design with this 4x4. 4x4, swing around the back, Alice. Here is your hitch setup down here, your outlets right here. Pretty sweet overall. You pop that open, you can see how this is all configured in. So they've put a lot in here in a small amount of space. Obviously you've got your different water setups and all your tank action, your ladder built in right here, which is pretty sweet. Wrap around this side, you got your sewer hose connection here. Got your propane down here, come around, you got your Truma, and then you've got your city field and your outlets here. So nice, you got your cable and then your 30 amp right here. Nice little light feature on the side, that's nice to keep everything lit up. And clearly nice step up here and a cool color design. So overall, just a quick view of this here at the trade show at the Super RV show down in Florida.
Okay, up next, the Stealth Mode 4x4 on a Sprinter from Storyteller Overland. This was Alice's favorite last year, and you'll see why. Take a look at this.
First thing you notice, big beefy ladder right on the side. I love that on the side. And then you've got your smart plug right here, folks. 4x4, lots of clearance on the Storytellers. This one right here is what's called the Stealth Mode. Super cool, Class B, you're gonna love it. We did a full video on this last year with, like I said, their representatives. Check that out. But for now, come on over here, see the back end of this, and look at the setup they have here. That's right, you can go ahead and take advantage of this system to hold all kinds of toys, whatever you can think of. Surfboards, scooters, you name it, they've got it. Really cool looking on both sides with the Mercedes. Got the hitch, all nice outlets here, everything you need. Really beefy though. Feel the metal on this thing. This thing is rock solid for sure. And these guys do a great job. More outlets right here on the side. The stealth, like we talked about, stealth mode. Sharp looking units, pop outs on the corner. Real clean Mercedes look. And let's jump on in here. You can see you've got the pop out table just like the other ones. They all have a similar design. Same story here. They've got the refrigerator with all of your controls, awning lighting, awning arm, auto stop, you name it, all right there, auxiliary. Pop on up, come on up, and we'll show you. Once again, you've got the 2-seat here with the seat belts. So 2 smaller people, 1 big person. You can get 3 in here, all DOT. Brand new 2003 chassis from Mercedes, absolutely gorgeous. Take a look up here, all of your flat screen control systems. No pizza oven in the Stealth, but lots of storage. Take a look, and really nice, clean looking. Real sharp with the pop outs, real inside, all fabric, really nice. They did a great job there. And as you swing around, we'll show you, you can jump right in here for the shower as you look down, and then you pull this out here, And all of your shower giddy up is in this one right here. Super cool. We demo this in the full length video, but for now, we're just kind of showing you the difference in these 3 top selling 4x4 units. Take a look up here. We've once again got the nice microwave ready to go, chrome finish, pretty cool, stainless steel. And then down here, all your different storage with the lockouts and nice shelves, right? Like really nice drawers, everything in here. I love the texture of that wood. I don't know if that comes up in the 4K film, but it is gorgeous. It feels like real wood. And then once again, same story. This is the electronic up and down bed, so you can sleep on the top half. You're not losing all the space, and then you can store everything below, which is super awesome. Your kayaks, your bikes, your scooters, you name it. So that gives you a quick overview of all 3 of these units. As you can see, you've got outlets everywhere, the plugs everywhere, the USBs everywhere on these units. But overall, those are the top 3 that we believe for the 4x4s, for these Class Bs. So if you're looking at hitting the road, getting out there, doing some fishing, hiking, whatever it may be, camping, we recommend one of these 3. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video on the ultimate 4x4 camper van bucket list. Comment down below, what was your favorite? The Winnebago, the Thor? How about that Storyteller, Overland? Comment, let us know what you think, or what is your favorite 4x4 that we didn't cover. Thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun 4x4.